Apple WWDC 2026, Part 4. Headlines for June 13, 26. Multi-user IAP StoreKit. S3 files app integration. Swift testing modes. HealthKit workout zones. Declarative MDM device management. 12-month IAP subscriptions. View Annotations API. App intents testing. Wi-Fi aware proximity APIs. iOS 27 quantum crypto. iPadOS extra large widgets. iPhone app resizing iPadOS. HDR UI high refresh modes. Notes drawing on Mac. Live activities landscape. Ask to browse child safety. Unified app review multiple. Private cloud compute NVIDIA. Creative assets product pages. WatchOS tap and wallet key. Apple has introduced StoreKit 2, enabling multi-user in-app purchases for groups and organizations through configurable subscriptions. Developers can now offer group subscriptions where one person buys seats and invites others to join the plan. Partnered developers can combine subscriptions into App Store bundles, offering users a single purchase for multiple services. Win-back offers during the cancellation flow help retain subscribers by presenting timely incentives to stay. Creative assets now support rich images and videos in product page headers, while Unified App Review lets developers submit multiple in-app purchases in one pass. A new S3 Files integration now lets users mount any Amazon S3 bucket natively inside the Files app, Finder, and Shortcuts. This feature allows browsing, uploading, and managing cloud storage directly from the system file picker without extra tools. Developers can seamlessly integrate S3 access into their own apps by using standard file APIs for a familiar workflow. Shortcuts automation gains the ability to trigger S3 operations, enabling powerful custom workflows and file management routines. The update brings cloud storage closer to the operating system, making file handling smoother and more efficient for everyone. Apple has announced that Swift testing now offers full bidirectional interoperability with XCTest, enabling seamless coexistence. Four distinct migration modes are introduced: limited, complete, strict, and none, each tailored for different team needs. Session 267 provides a detailed guide on gradually migrating existing XCTest suites to Swift testing without disruption. Teams can adopt Swift testing alongside their current XCTests, allowing for a phased and flexible transition. This update empowers developers to modernize testing workflows while preserving legacy test infrastructure and investments. HealthKit workout zones now offer personalized heart rate and cycling power zones for fitness applications. Developers can use built-in zones based on user health data or create custom zone definitions. Session 207 covers implementation details for delivering deeper workout insights to users. This new feature allows apps to tailor training intensity using each individual's unique physiological metrics. The update promises more accurate and adaptive fitness tracking for a wide range of workout experiences. This update introduces important improvements for developers. Apple has announced a major shift from server-driven MDM to declarative device management, making devices more aware of their own settings. Updates to Apple Business Manager and School Manager now include hardware diagnostics and granular app security controls for IT administrators. A new identity-first approach to device management ensures user credentials are central to policy enforcement and access decisions. Session 206 at the conference will detail these changes, focusing on how they simplify deployment and enhance security. Apple has announced StoreKit 2 now supports monthly subscriptions with a 12-month commitment period for developers. This new pricing model offers higher customer retention alongside existing weekly, monthly, and annual subscription options. Developers can implement the feature using guidance from the dedicated Session 210 presentation at the conference. The commitment structure encourages longer user engagement while maintaining the familiar monthly billing cycle for subscribers. This update provides a strategic tool for apps seeking stable recurring revenue without forcing upfront annual payments. A new View Annotations API now lets developers map on-screen views to specific entities for conversational user interactions. This technology allows users to tap or ask about UI elements while the system understands the context. The API enables AI-driven app interactions where referencing and acting on screen content becomes seamless. Developers can build experiences where users naturally speak about what they see without complex commands. This innovation marks a significant step toward more intuitive and context-aware digital interfaces. Apple has introduced the App Intents testing framework, allowing developers to validate their entire App Intents integration. This new tool tests through real system pathways, eliminating the need for traditional UI automation. Developers can now ensure their shortcuts and Siri interactions are both reliable and fully testable. The framework provides a smooth path to confirm that app features work correctly with system services. This advancement promises more consistent and dependable voice and shortcut experiences for users. A new Wi-Fi aware standard now lets apps discover nearby devices and share data directly without any internet connection. This technology simplifies secure peer-to-peer connections by eliminating the need for traditional network infrastructure or cellular service. Users can instantly exchange files or information in close proximity, making it ideal for crowded events or remote locations. The system operates by enabling devices to constantly scan for compatible services while maintaining low power consumption for extended use. Apple has introduced new quantum-secure cryptography APIs to help developers prepare applications for a post-quantum computing era. These built-in cryptographic protocols are designed to protect sensitive data against the advanced threats of future quantum machines. Developers can now integrate these security measures directly into their apps to future-proof their encryption systems. The move ensures that current digital communications remain safe even when quantum computers become operational. This proactive step by Apple strengthens overall cybersecurity by addressing long-term risks before they fully emerge. iPadOS Today View now supports extra-large widgets, offering richer information and deeper interactivity at a glance. This new XL widget size allows developers to display significantly more content and controls directly on the home screen. Users can access detailed data, live updates, and interactive elements without opening any app. The feature is designed to enhance productivity and glanceability on larger iPad screens. Apple encourages developers to update their widgets to take full advantage of this expanded real estate. Apple has introduced a major update allowing iPhone apps to be freely resized on iPadOS, giving users unprecedented control over their multitasking experience. This new flexibility means you can now view iPhone apps in any window size you prefer, from a compact phone-like frame to a larger expanded layout. Developers are strongly encouraged to test their app layouts across the full range of resize configurations to ensure smooth performance and visual integrity. The change aims to bridge the gap between mobile and tablet workflows, making it easier to run multiple apps side by side without awkward scaling. Apple's upcoming macOS Golden Gate update will introduce HDR support across the entire system user interface for the first time. Users can expect more high-resolution and high-refresh rate display modes when connecting external monitors to their Macs. Developers will gain access to significantly improved color accuracy and smoother rendering capabilities for their applications. This update marks a major leap forward in visual fidelity and display flexibility for the macOS ecosystem. The new features aim to deliver a more vibrant and responsive experience for both creative professionals and everyday users. At WWDC 2026, drawing support arrives for Notes and Freeform on macOS. Users can now draw and sketch directly on the Mac, utilizing natural pressure-sensitive input. This update expands creative workflows beyond the iPad, bringing them to the desktop environment. The feature integrates seamlessly into existing applications, allowing for precise annotation and illustration without additional hardware. For professionals and casual users alike, this marks a significant step in unifying the creative experience across platforms. The transition from tablet to desktop now feels more fluid and intuitive. Apple has updated the dynamic island to support live activities in landscape orientation for the first time. This new feature expands the utility of live activities for games, media playback, and navigation apps. Users can now view real-time updates from their favorite apps without rotating their device back to portrait. The change makes it easier to follow scores, track routes, or control music while holding the phone horizontally. This enhancement arrives as part of a broader effort to improve multitasking and immersive experiences on iPhone. A new feature called Ask to Browse lets parents review and approve every web browsing request their child makes. This tool is part of expanded parental controls that also include communication safety tools and screen time recommendations. Parents can now see exactly which sites their child wants to visit before granting or denying access. The communication safety tools help monitor who children talk to and what they share online. Screen time recommendations offer balanced limits to encourage healthy digital habits for the whole family. Apple has introduced a unified app review system that lets developers submit multiple in-app purchases in a single review pass. This change significantly reduces friction for apps that offer many IAPs and complex bundle options. By streamlining the process, developers can now avoid separate review cycles for each individual purchase item. The update aims to make the App Store review process faster and more efficient for creators. Industry experts say this will help apps launch updates with new content more smoothly than before. Apple has announced that its private cloud compute system now runs on NVIDIA, Google, and Intel AI hardware through new partnerships. This expansion extends Apple Intelligence privacy guarantees to industry-leading AI accelerators for the first time. The move ensures that user data processed in the cloud remains encrypted and inaccessible even to Apple itself. By integrating with these powerful chips, Apple aims to deliver faster and more secure on-device-like AI experiences. The company emphasizes that its strict privacy protections now apply across a broader range of high-performance computing environments. Developers can now enhance their App Store product pages with rich images and videos using creative assets. These new visual elements allow for dynamic headers and more engaging search result displays. Apple's Asset Library and App Store Connect offers a centralized hub for managing all marketing materials. This streamlined system helps developers maintain consistency across their app's promotional content. The update aims to boost app visibility and user engagement through richer visual storytelling. This marks a significant step forward for Apple's developer ecosystem. Apple has introduced App Store suites, allowing developers to offer subscription packages not available as standalone purchases. Partner developers can now combine multiple services into a single suite offering for their users. Win-back offers during the cancellation flow help developers retain subscribers by presenting timely incentives. This update aims to boost customer loyalty and revenue through flexible, bundled subscription options. The new feature is part of Apple's ongoing effort to enhance the developer ecosystem and user experience. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you in the next video.